Hey everybody, it's Jay at LockNLube, and today I'm introducing you to our newest addition to our professional line of hose reels. This is the LockNLube Pro Grease Hose Reel. This reel has 50 feet. 50 feet! Of high quality, high pressure grease hose at a working pressure of 5,800 PSI on the hose. Super durable, high quality hose built to support any central greasing system that you might have. Now the hose has an 1/8 inch pipe thread connection on the end, perfect with our LockNLube booster gun, which is sold separately. And on the side of the hose reel, the inlet swivel. This swivel can connect into your central greasing system, your grease pump, however you've got things set up. The housing with our automotive grade spring tested to over 1 million cycles. That means that this also carries our 10-year warranty. The galvanized steel bracket has a 180-degree swivel, can be mounted on the wall or the ceiling. A lot of flexibility for your shop, your vehicle, wherever you might need to use this. The case is made to be super durable, drop resistant, and also is open so that it can be easily cleaned. All of these vents here actually keep the amount of dirt and grime inside the case to a minimum so that things work seamlessly. Like all of our professional hose reels, this is fully rebuildable. We keep all the spare parts and pieces in stock. This QR code, if you scan this with your phone, that's gonna take you directly to the manual and all the other supporting information for this hose reel. We got you covered. The LockNLube Pro Grease Hose Reel, made in Australia with our 10-year warranty. Thank you for watching. For more information about this or any of our other incredible products, check out LockNLube.com or search for us on YouTube.